Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I shall be talking about how to reset Epson printer. It is a prevalent error code that is faced by a lot of Epson printer users. I will talk in length about the prevalent causes of this error and some easy steps that could be followed to resolve it. Printers can encounter various types of issues, and one of the easiest retort to resolve various kinds of issues is resetting them. Epson is a trusted brand when we talk about printers, and owing to the remarkable facets, it has gained popularity over the years. Like every printer may run into printer errors, so can Epson printers. A majority of Epson printer errors can be rectified by a reset of Epson printers. This video provides step-by-step method to how to reset Epson printer. How do I reset my Epson printer to factory settings? To reset an Epson printer to factory settings, you can adopt any of the below methods. Method 1. This method is done using the control panel of the printer. Press the home button of the printer. This shall open the control panel of the printer. Using the arrow keys, navigate to the setup menu. In the setup window, using the arrow keys, locate Restore Default Settings option and tap OK. Similarly, restore the network settings and select OK. Restart the printer to save these changes. Method 2. This resetting of the Epson printer makes use of the reset button usually present at the back of the printer. Turn off the Epson printer. Using a pin, press and hold the reset button present at the back of the printer. Turn off the printer while holding the reset button for at least 5 seconds. Let go of the reset button once a warning sheet is printed. After a couple of seconds, another sheet would be the printer, which would contain the IP address of the printer. Using this IP address, reconfigure the printer to the PC. The above methods shall surely reset the printer. In case you find the above mentioned steps ambiguous or need any kind of assistance related to how to reset Epson printer to factory settings or Epson printer troubleshooting, feel free to dial our Epson printer tech support number 800-513-2888. Our support team shall guide you through and resolve all kinds of ambiguity and errors. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Also drop a comment.